English vocabulary with Lengo cards. 10 beautiful alternatives. Gorgeous.
Use this word to describe someone's appearance, such as a stunningly attractive or exceptionally well-dressed person. Gorgeous girl. Gorgeous sunset. Absolutely gorgeous. The bride looked absolutely gorgeous in her wedding gown.
Stunning.
Ideal for describing something that leaves you in awe or amazement, like a breathtaking sunset or an astonishing work of art. Incredibly stunning. Stunning beauty. Stunning view. The sunset over the ocean was a stunning display of vibrant colors.
Breathtaking.
Use this word when something is so awe-inspiring or impressive that it literally takes your breath away, like a majestic mountain range or a remarkable performance. Utterly breathtaking. Breathtaking speed of the car. Breathtaking moment. The view from the mountaintop was breathtaking, with panoramic vistas. Which one is?
Stunning. Stunning.
What is this?
Gorgeous. Lovely.
Suitable for describing something pleasant, charming, or delightful, such as a beautiful flower or serene countryside. Lovely melody. Lovely scent of flowers. Lovely smile. She wore a lovely red dress to the party, catching everyone's attention.
Magnificent.
Use this word to express grandeur or splendor, such as a magnificent castle or a magnificent view from a hilltop. Truly magnificent. Magnificent architecture. Magnificent achievement. The Grand Cathedral was a magnificent architectural masterpiece.
Exquisite.
Ideal for describing something with exceptional beauty or intricate details, like an exquisite piece of jewelry or an exquisite gourmet dish. Exquisite taste. Exquisitely crafted piece of art. Exquisite flower. The chef prepared an exquisite dish with perfectly balanced flavors and artistic presentation.
Mesmerizing.
Use this word when something captivates your attention or fascinates you, like a mesmerizing dance performance or a mesmerizing piece of music. Captivatingly mesmerizing. Mesmerizing rhythm of the music. Mesmerizing colors. The ballet performance was mesmerizing, with graceful movements and captivating music. Where is?
Exquisite. Exquisite.
What is this?
Magnificent. Striking.
Suitable for something that immediately catches your attention or stands out due to its remarkable appearance or quality, like a striking piece of architecture or a striking outfit. Striking contrast of colors. Striking architecture. Strikingly beautiful portrait. The model walked down the runway in a striking ensemble that turned heads.
Radiant.
Use this word to describe someone or something that emits a bright, glowing, or joyful energy, like a radiant smile or a radiant sunrise. Radiant smile. Radiant glow of the sun. Radiant happiness. The flowers in the garden were radiant, blooming in vibrant colors.
Splendid.
Ideal for describing something that is excellent, impressive, or of exceptional quality, such as a splendid performance or a splendidly decorated room. Absolutely splendid. Splendid achievement. Splendid elegance. The beach resort offered splendid views of crystal clear waters and white sandy beaches. Where is?
Lovely. Lovely.
What is this?
Mesmerizing.